everyone! Welcome back to Rainbow Universe Legendary Era. I'm Raya, and today we're exploring something that's been getting a lot of buzz lately in the AI world, the voice generation tool ElevenLabs. If you've ever wanted to turn your text into incredibly natural-sounding speech, or you're just curious about what modern AI voices can really do, this video is for you. So what exactly is ElevenLabs? It's an AI-powered text-to-speech tool that can turn written words into human-like voices. What makes it stand out is how surprisingly real and expressive the voices sound, not robotic or flat like many older tools. It's popular among content creators, audiobook narrators, and even indie game developers who want affordable, high-quality narration. Pros: very realistic and natural voices. Supports multiple languages and accents. Easy-to-use interface. Custom voice cloning if you have the paid plan. Fast generation speed. Cons: free plan has strict limits, character cap. Custom voices can get expensive. Sometimes pronunciation isn't perfect, especially with unique names or words. Overall, I think ElevenLabs is a really powerful tool for creators who want to add narration, voiceovers, or storytelling to their content without hiring professional voice actors every time. It's not flawless, and it might not replace real human emotion completely, but it's closer than almost anything else I've tried. If you do a lot of content creation, podcasts, or storytelling projects, it could save you tons of time and money. And just so you know, what you've been hearing in this video was actually generated with ElevenLabs. I wrote the script myself, then used the tool to bring it to life, so you can experience exactly how it sounds in a real review setting. Pretty cool, right? And that's it for today's review. I hope this gave you a better idea of what ElevenLabs can do and whether it's worth trying. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to Rainbow Universe Legendary Era for more deep dives into creative tools and tech. Until next time, this is Raya. Stay creative and legendary.